Right, so I mentioned in another video about making a fish oil as a trap bait or a trap lure out of crushed up sprats. It was an old recipe in an old book. What you did, you got sprats, put them in a jar, mashed them up. You have to leave them in the sun for about a week. I'm sure it was about a week, it said, and then the oils leach out of the sprats, and then you can use it to put around your traps and on your traps and everything as a lure or a bait. So I thought of a method where you could do it a little bit more quicker than that, using, like, if you can get normal sprats, then try it with them, but if not, you can quite easily get these dog food, they're not dog food, like a dog treat sprats, but the only thing is they're semi-dried. You can see them there, but they are hard. So what I did was I put some in a bowl, put a little bit of cooking oil in there as well, and then I heated them in the microwave for about 10-20 seconds. And then the oils from those had leached out and turned it all brown, and it stunk. I did notice one thing, that if you cook them for too long though, it seems to take the smell away and they just smelt burnt. So you've got to do it for a minimal amount. You know, it might pay, you might be able to do it by adding water instead of oil. And this is what I've kind of come up with. And then what I did is I put them in a jar, mashed them all up more, and it does stink, so you probably could use it instantly straight away. See it there. So you probably could use that now straight away. But what you could also do is stick that in an airing cupboard or in a hot place and let it ferment some more. So that's an instant way of doing it, whereas the old way was, you know, you had to wait about a week for it to kind of leach out, and they was fresh as sprats. If you could get fresh sprats, then you probably could do it by either the method they say is leave it in a jar, or you could possibly get the fresh ones and just do the same method by heating them up for a bit, let the oils leach out of them. If there wasn't enough, add some other oil to it. But yeah, that's a method of making some quick fish oil for your traps. So like I said, that was either from the, you know, like the dog food section in the supermarket, or a dog, you know, or our pet shop, you know what I mean? Probably get it offline. Maybe if you go to the fishmonger's part of a superstore, you might be able to get normal sprats, but you know, I couldn't see none, so that's what we'd got. Right, anyway, cheers for watching, I'll see you later.